President Emmerson Mnangagwa has been accused of unleashing a violent crackdown against citizens linked to a petition calling for his resignation in what critics describe as a growing campaign of repression against dissent. Sana pana mashoko obudanya kwa panguva ino zvinzi mutungamiri wenyika oisa a violent crackdown pane vakomana ava vakanyora petition kune vemauto vachiforsa mutungamiri wenyika kuresigna. Robo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina unomu obudanya kwa mshinzi. This is now a clear abduction case that is being arranged by a small group in the ruling upper class, said Clifford Gomwe, one of the main petitioners, in an interview with ZVAITWA. His mother, 72-year-old Edna Msarurwa, was reportedly abducted on Friday evening from her home in Budihiro, Harare, by a group of armed men believed to be state operatives. She was later dumped near a police checkpoint in Noto. The petition submitted earlier this week to the Zimbabwe Defense Forces cites President Mnangagwa's alleged incapacitation and corruption and demands his immediate retirement. The document was officially acknowledged by military officials, and sources says its reception has provoked anxiety within the presidency. ZDF insiders confirmed the petition invoked Section 212 of the Constitution, which mandates the military to defend the Constitution, peace, and the rule of law. It's being treated internally as a quasi-legal instrument, almost like a lawsuit against the president, a military source revealed. The document is reportedly gaining support among mid and lower-ranking officers. The petition's signatories include Gomwe, Tawanda Jena, Rose Chirenje, and Sarudzai Rushwaya, all of whom are now reportedly being targeted in an aggressive manhunt. President Mnangagwa has not issued an official response, but his spokesperson George Charamba appeared to allude to the issues on social media, taking a veiled swipe at ZVAITWA editor Simba Chikanza. Hauneti Yerena Simba, when do you get tired? He tweeted. While Gomwe briefly contacted ZVAITWA to confirm his safety, his exact location remains unknown. The Minister of Defense and President Mnangagwa's office were contacted for comment, but they had not responded by the time of publication. Thomas Kwarubuda panguva ino emataxi vakomana vakanyora petition yekuti mutungamiri wenyika ngavaresign. Pena comment section medu dzimafunguro emu kuti muzobe chitwechi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.